Thank you for the question. Do you believe there's potent magic in words and sound? I've placed this into the say hello because just that, doing that action tells you what I'm going to say. There is potency in precision language. There is potency in the vibration through the voice to express those words. Words are spellings, and as we know, and I'm going to repeat this the same as many other people have, spellings are spells. Spells are a way of conjuring magic. So yes, I do believe there's potency, magic in words and sound.